Hello, in this lesson we are going to use the Format Painter button. It is absolutely one of my most favorite buttons in Microsoft Word. It's located in couple places. On the home ribbon right over here on the left is your Format Painter. I also have on my quick access bar way over here on the right hand side. Click access bar and notice when you float your mouse there, it gives you a complete instructions tutorial on how to use it and what it does. Also the keyboard shortcuts if you are willing to learn that and remember that. I just kind of like hitting the actual button because it's very convenient for me. There's one another place as well, so I'm gonna go ahead and highlight the first line that I like. And my minibar pops up and there it is on my minibar as well. Just so you know it's there. Now the purpose is to copy format not text but the format that we like and apply it to a line that needs to be formatted. So I will go ahead and do that. I have highlighted topic one bold in red. It's already highlighted. I'm going to click my format painter. I'm going to bring my mouse down here and notice the little paintbrush attached to my I-beam. That tells me it's ready to apply the formats. So I just literally click and drag, wipe it, paint it over the line I want to apply it to. There we go. I didn't have to figure out what color red, what size, anything. It's all done. Let's do this again to the next blue line. I can use the one on the home ribbon this time. Click that one, come down here with the paintbrush and apply it to this line. Perfect. Now the green one. I highlight the formatting that I like. This time the one on my quick access path. It doesn't matter, it's the same ribbon. It's your personal preference on where you want to click, that's all. I have a cute little paintbrush attached to my mouse. Click and drag, there we go. And then the last one, same thing. This time I'm just going to, instead of click and drag, just gonna move my mouse into the margin. Click once, select an entire line, click the format page there, comes out here. So I'm going to apply this to this line. Here we go. So when you click once, you can use it once. Now we are going to apply topic 1 format to this one and to this one. Come right back here, select the line. This time I'm going to double click the format painter. Click the format painter. Now it's going to be on until I turn it off. So topic 1 right here. And topic 1 right here. There we go. And notice when I move my mouse, it's still on the paper, just still attached my I-beam. Got to turn this off. Two ways to do it. You can just go up here and turn off this button, or you can also press the escape on your keyboard. It will turn off. So two ways. Click the button to turn off or hit escape. Let's do it. Topic 2. Select the font you like. And apply to this line. and this word. Now you have to turn it off, so I will click and it will turn off. Last one. I'm going to use topic 3. So now I have to apply topic 3 format to this one. As this is only one, then I will click at once only because it is only one line and I will not use the format painter more than one time. So that's why I clicked it once. So now you can use your format painter. It's awesome. Please use this. Please learn it. Such an incredible and valuable tool. It will save you so much reconstruction work on a document. If you just find one that's already the way you like it, highlight the text, paint format, paste the format. Awesome. Thank you.